Hello, everybody. So yeah, welcome back to a Subnautica Hardcore. This is that. What the? What? I just sliced a bird with a knife. Okay, well, yeah, welcome. This is Subnautica Hardcore episode 2. Hopefully the episode where we make a lot of progress in. So let's get right into it. So the thing I wanted to do today was I wanted to make the sea glide. Now the reason I want to make the sea glide is because this is gonna help with transportation a lot. Now it's not the best thing in the game, vehicle wise, but it's gonna help out a ton. So let me just make sure I have enough food and stuff, and then we can go ahead and begin our journey to the abandoned life pod. So let's go ahead and make sure we have everything that we need. Okay, good. I do have a nutrient block because I was really hoping I have one of those. Dang it, we don't have a med kit. All right. So we need to go over there to life pod 3. Yes, sea glide. All right, this is what we need. Oh man, we got it. All right, so for anybody who thought that the people in this life pod were dead, you were correct. They are dead. Ooh, a compass. I need that. Compasses actually really help out a lot. You'd think they're not amazing, but I'm telling you, they actually help out a ton. So let's see. I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be something else here. Let me just make sure that we got the blueprint, like in that we can actually make it. I shouldn't be doing this in the middle of the ocean, but you know what? I'm gonna do it anyways. Yes, we got it. All right, so we need a battery, lubricant, and copper wire. Really cheap. All right, so let's go ahead and get the creepvine clusters, seed, whatever they're called, while we're here. I think we need 2. So 1, 2. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. No, controller. Why? Why did my controller have to disconnect? No. Oh my gosh. Oh, get away. I will blind you with my fire extinguisher. Oh my gosh, we need to get out of here. Okay. I think we're good. Oh my gosh, controller, you can't do that to me. My controller disconnected. I'm actually using a wire to play on here, so. Alright. Back at our life pod. Alright, let's craft this.
Of the Aurora's drive core may result in a quantum detonation. Continuing to monitor.
So yeah, that's what's gonna happen to the Aurora. Pretty much it's gonna explode, and if you're in the water when that happens, it is bad. Like yeah. So we need to make sure we are not in the water when that happens.
Is essential for the construction of vehicles and power plants.
Okay. Copper wire. Can we make a battery? 2 acid mushrooms? Surely we have some in here. Oh yeah, we got plenty. 1, 2. And battery. Alright, and I think we can craft it now. Yep. Sea glide.
The sea
glide
yes. Will increase your effective exploration range. For your safety, please pack supplies for long journeys and stay within 5 kilometers of the nearest life pod or habitat. Vital signs stabilizing.
Alright, so we got the Sea Glide now, so we can go on kind of longer trips and stuff. Alright, next item. Rebreather. That's what we need to make. I'm 90% sure we got silver in the last episode of Subnautica Hardcore. That is life, equipment, metal. Here we go. Okay, nothing in there. Anything in this one? Nope. I'm 90% sure I got silver. Did I use it? Surely not. Alright, I guess I used it. Oh gosh, I don't want to be in the water while while the Aurora is about to explode. Let me put some stuff in here. Road. I hear a crash fish.
Detecting sulfur deposits in the local cave systems. Sulfur is an essential component of the repair tool.
Well, we already have the repair. Why is it saying all this stuff now? Because we've made the repair tool already and gotten sulfur. We've done all this. We're ahead of the game. I hear a reef back. That's a nice Leviathan. One of the few friendly Leviathans in the game. Actually, technically, if you want to be technical, it's the only friendly Leviathan in the game. Is the reefback, which we will probably visit one today, because we need to actually go to the dune, or not the dunes. We need to go to the grassy plateau. I think that's how you say it. Plateau, grassy plateau, whatever you want to call it. I hear a crash fish. I hate those things. That's probably gonna be the death of me. Is a stupid crash fish. It's gonna kill me. Don't run into it. Oh my gosh, it's a stalker. Nope, 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 nope. Run! Run! Where is all the stupid sandstone? I can't find any. Oh. Oh my gosh. That is way too close. You're getting a little too close, stalkers. Just need you to back up a little. Please. Oh no. 2, no, 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 no. 3, no. We got 3 crash fish. 4 crash fish. Can we get a 5? Yep, we got a 5th. 5 crash fish. Sandstone. Lead, no!
Passing 100 meters. Oxygen efficiency decreased.
Oh my gosh, I almost just died. Oh my gosh. Almost just died. I almost just died there. No, thank you. Please. Please don't explode. Please. Alright, we got a radio message. Alright, let's listen to our message.
This is Ozzy from the cafeteria. What, guys? They didn't warn us this might happen. Our pod was almost crushed by this Seamoth Bay on the way down. Now we're hanging on the edge of a cave system, and this grim-looking snake thing's trying to eat through the hull. Come get us already.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Okay, so that person on the radio message right there,
Bleach is an essential chemical used for cleaning wounds and purifying water.
That's right, guys. We're gonna be drinking some
Preparing the
bleach today.
water ration ahead of time will help ensure against dehydration and eventual death. Seek fluid intake. Vital signs
Alright.
stabilizing.
So let's go get. Actually no. We are not gonna go to that life pod yet because there is a cave system there that is super important that like I can go to, but I think it would just be better if I had some more stuff. And also it'd be better if that thing would explode already. What are y'all doing again?
Congratulations, survivor. You have exceeded your weekly exercise quotient by 500%. Indicates that swimming was your favorite activity. Be sure to vary your routine for uniform muscle development.
I don't know if I really needed to hear that, but okay. Thanks, PDA. Alright, let's get this silver before the Aurora explode. Oh my gosh. Yes? Oh, we got the silver! Yes! Tell me I don't need to, because if I need to, I'm going to be really mad. Actually, I think I need to. Yeah, I need to. Dang it. And we got... Let's go. I can't believe we just got that. Okay, the rebreather. Oh, yes! Alright, let's get this rebreather real quick. Wiring kit. I knew I needed 2 silver. Alright. Equipment. And what else do we need? Fiber mesh. Pretty sure we got some of that. Yep. Fiber mesh. And bop, bop, and bop. Alright, now that we have the rebreather, it should be... we can stay underwater a lot longer and go deeper. I don't know if y'all remember, but when we were at the creepvine area, it said passing 100 meters, oxygen level decreased. Well, now that won't happen because we have the actually, yeah, it won't happen anymore because we have the rebreather. Will you explode already and go into a quantum detonation, please? Please. What are these birds doing? They're like sitting in the air and floating. Okay. We're having a bird attack. It's the bird apocalypse. Gotten through. Oh my gosh, we got a radio message! No way! Who is it? Hello?
This is Avery Quinn of Trading Ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over? Nothing but vacuum. These Altera ships. They run low on engine grease, send an SOS, you offer to help, they don't pick up. Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's gonna take more than a week to reach your position. Do you still need our assistance? Over. I'll try them again tomorrow. Jarder's gonna have us blowing our credits running errands for Altera. See what the long-range scans pick up in the meantime.
Oh my gosh! What? Birds, please wait. Wait, Ashley, can I scan you? Oh my god. Okay. Scan them! Scan them! Equipment. Wait, what?
Emergency. The quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The reactor...
Here it goes. Here it goes, guys. It's exploding.
10,
Here it comes.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3...
Should I be standing up here? Oh my gosh!